Good morning, students. Welcome back to our virtual library class. Let's listen to a historical story today when India was ruled by kings with their own set of trusted ministers and courtiers. Among the various kingdoms was one in the south, the kingdom of Vijayanagar, ruled by a righteous king, Krishnadev Raya, and Tenali Raman was one of the trusted ministers in his court. He was known as Vikata Kavi because he could compose poetry on the spot and was one of the 8 famous poets of the time, called Ashtadiggaj. Apart from poetry, he wrote many stories and famous books. Let's listen to this witty story, The Glass Box. Tenali Raman had been absent from the court for more than a week as he was unwell. The king Krishnadev Raya missed him greatly as his wit and intelligence always added a sparkle to the day. "I am waiting for Tenali to return to the court. He makes things interesting. All the other courtiers just agree with everything I say. Tenali always has a different point of view. He really brightens my day," thought the king. So when Tenali came back, the king was very pleased. But Tenali seemed quiet and dull. He was also looking leaner than usual. The king became worried. Has the fever dulled his brain? Wondered the king. I must give him a challenge. That is sure to make him feel better, thought the king. He thought long and hard and came up with a most difficult puzzle. He called his craftsmen and gave them some instructions. When the courtiers assembled in the court the next morning, the king clapped his hands. 4 craftsmen came in carrying a large box which they placed in the center of the room. The box was made of glass and it was sealed on all the sides. I have a test for you, announced the king. If anyone can put anything inside the box without damaging the box in any way, he will win a reward. So saying, he sat back to watch the fun. One by one, the courtiers came up to examine the box. It was carefully glued together. There was not even a tiny hole through which one could pour in some water. How could one solve this puzzle? They went back to their seats. One stroked his beard and another twirled his moustache in puzzlement, while the third sat back in his seat and scratched his head. No one could come up with a solution. Tenali Raman was the last to step forward. He called for an attendant. Please bring me a tall lamp, Tenali told him. The attendant bowed and went away. Soon he was back with what Tenali had asked for. Thank you, said Tenali as he took the lamp. He spent the next several minutes arranging the position of the lamp. Once he had kept it in the correct place, he moved to stand between the lamp and the glass box. The light from the lamp cast a shadow. Tenali Raman called out to the king, Your Majesty, please look at this. My shadow is now inside the box. The king laughed and clapped his hands in appreciation of Tenali's wonderful imagination. The others too joined in, though they felt foolish that they had not thought of such a simple idea. The king, happy that his favorite courtier was as quick-witted as ever, rewarded Tenali Raman with a precious ring. So children, it's a matter of great pride for us to learn about the Indian kings and their respected ministers of ancient India, who are the legends of our Indian history. I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you and have a wonderful day all of you. Goodbye.